Once there lived a camel who had a bad habit of making funny comments on the looks of other animals and birds. He never spoke a good word about any of them. To the cow he said,
"Just have a look at yourself. What an ugly-looking animal you are. When I look at your bones, it seems to me they will tear through your skin any moment."
To the buffalo he said,
"You must have surely offended the Creator. And so He has painted your entire body with the coal-black color. Your crooked horns make you look uglier still."
To the elephant he said,
"You are a cartoon among all the animals. The Creator must have made you in one of His humorous moods. All the parts of your body are out of proportion. Your huge body is tagged with a bit of a tail. Your eyes are so small, and ears so big. I had better not say anything about your trunk and legs, and other parts of your body."
To the parrot he said,
The Creator has shown His sense of humor through the hook-like red beak of yours.
In this way the camel always jeered and sneered at one and all. Once the camel chanced to meet a fox who was very outspoken and blunt. The fox said to him,
"O camel, give up your dirty habit of commenting on others. Just find some time to look at yourself. You have a long face, stone-like eyes, yellow and dirty teeth, legs like crooked sticks, and an ugly hump on your back. You are the ugliest among ugly animals. Other animals have a fault or two each, but yours outnumber and outclass them all."
The camel hung his head in shame and walked away silently. Moral: look at your own faults rather than at those of others.